I am giving the next one month calendar of I give the first one or first argument here. Okay, year I am giving 2022. I am giving the suppose 4. Okay, I am giving the 4. No, C dot, right? C dot month calendar. C dot month, right? Month calendar. So you can see here all of right. What's coming here? So this is the first line, right? Means what is that? Tell me now. What is the week of first here? Generally, month starts from where? Week starts from which day? Monday, right? Monday. Then what is this one? Is it Friday, Saturday? Right, Friday. This month, right? This month starting Friday. And today, what is the date? 15th. What is the day? Right, Friday. Okay, Friday. So it's giving a list of list, right? List of list all the days from starting from where 1 to 30 guys, right? 30. Which one here? Month calendar, right? Right there, month calendar. At the name month calendar function. It is used to return you can see all of you observe, right? What function name? Month calendar, right? So saying that it returns a matrix representing month calendar. Matrix means what's the matrix here? Suppose observe guys. This is the a full complete matrix. In that one first row again one list. Right, list one, second row one list. Like that it represents. This is the matrix format of in Python. So the values are, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So means first list over. Next one, for example, 5. This time give example 6, 7, and 8 like this. So list of list, right? That's why I'm saying that representing a which one matrix representing. Next one, each row represents a week. So first row is first week. Second row, second week, like this. Each row represents a week. Days outside this month, which one are 0. That's why it's going first zeros, right? Zeros. Because this month starting from where? Friday onwards. Before Friday, all giving the zeros. Okay. A matrix format, right? Read the notes now. It is used to return the month calendar, the month calendar based on the specified year and month. Based on the specified year and month. Based on the specified year and month. Next one. It will return a matrix representing. It will return a matrix representing month's calendar. Next, each row represents a week and the days the days outside this month are 0. The days outside this month are 0. Right. Just take this one. Right. Next one. Right. Now, all of you observe. We'll take here weekday. Right. Weekday. Let's take 2022. Okay. Comma and 4, comma 15. Right. All of you observe. So I give the weekday, right? What's the answer here? 4. What's the meaning of it? What is the meaning of it? Huh? 4 represents what? Suppose Monday 0. Next one, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 2, Thursday 3, Friday 4. Right? For example, today is Friday, right? So it's 4. If I give tomorrow data, 16 tomorrow, then it gives what here? It gives 5. All right? Means see now what is the definition of this function? It returns what? Even now. Huh? That day index number, right? Based on these 3 arguments. Okay, suppose if it is Friday, for example, it gives Friday index number. We know what is the Friday index number, right? So based on 3 arguments, it returns the index number of the day. Index number of the day, right there. Weekday, right? Weekday function, okay, right there. Weekday function, right? Weekday function, weekday. Right, you can see all of right. So what's weekday here? If I give weekday means 0 to 6, right? Means Monday to Sunday for the year. Month index number how much here? Right, 1 to 12 per day, 1 to 31, right? Index numbers. So weekday of what is there here? What is that? What I given there? I given full day, right? Okay. Here I given there. So as per that one, it's giving the one index number, right? It's giving the index first year, then month and the day. Okay, right there. It will return it will return the index number of the day. Index number of the day in the week. It will return the index number of the day in the week based on the three arguments, based on the three arguments, based on the three arguments, based on which one? Three arguments. The bracket, what are those? First year, then what next one? Month, day, and which function? Weekday function. Okay, in the weekday function. And this one.